of adventure, the most amazing theme park ever created. Explore the real-life Jurassic Park.
I would like to welcome you to Fíkíndí 2.0, where many things have changed. If you hadn't noticed, Fíkíndí is no longer in the cold winter, but now in spring. But don't let the pretty colors and environment from the changing season fool you. It's more cutthroat and action-packed than ever before. Fíkíndí has completely changed. Dino Park has gotten a complete makeover, and now has turned into Dino Land. Moving trains have also been built in Fíkíndí, where some crazy gunfights can happen. PUBG gave 50 the opportunity to take a look at the map early. Join him and his squad on their journey to conquer this new-looking snow map. Fíkíndí 2.0.